Aini matongoretio nĩ Manyari na baruthi wa thayũ nĩ monanĩtie kĩeha kĩao thutha wa ndeto kwĩyumĩria atĩ mũthuri wa mũtumia ũrĩa wĩrĩga kũhurũka about 2 weeks ago while chasing after her husband and his mistress, the husband has also now passed away. Na ndeto ici nĩ itigĩte andũ aingĩ na kĩeha mũno kuona atĩ the woman died in a very fatal accident, a tragic accident, na rĩu ona mũthuri onake nĩarĩkĩtie kũhurũka. Mũthuri ũyũ ũrĩa rĩtwa rĩake nĩ Soni Basi fell into a coma after learning of the death of his wife. Gĩkuũ kĩa mũtumia wake nĩ kĩamũturire mũno gĩkĩmũmakia mũno and he went into a coma and now he has sadly succumbed. Na Manyari took to his Facebook page and shared this akiuga very sad indeed, especially for the children. Sad news, man whose wife died weeks ago while chasing side chick has finally died. Soni Basi has been on coma due to shock having lost his wife in fatal accident while she was chasing him and his mistress. Soni finally lost the battle and he has finally gone to meet his late wife, leaving behind their children. May their souls rest in eternal peace. Na onake baruthi wa thayũ reposted Manyari's post now with so many crying emojis akiuria why now. Ona Kinyua wa iratũ onake akauga this is too sad, may God help us. Na nĩ ũhoro wa kĩeha mũno, our deepest condolences to the family. Family nĩyo ĩrakorirwo confirm na kũrekereria ndeto ici atĩ Soni Basi nĩarĩkĩtie kũhurũka, arohurũka ũhoro. Na onake Helen Wendy, the woman who drowned in Canada in a swimming pool, onake nĩahurũkirio ũmũthĩ. Her body arrived in the country about 5 days ago. Na ũmũthĩ nĩguo ekũhurũkagio kũrĩa family na arata manyitanĩire othe in her home county to say their final goodbyes as they lay her to rest. Rest in eternal peace, Helen Wendy. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.